Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking your accounts and preparing the software. Sign into Twitch, enable two-factor authentication, and copy your stream key. Then install OBS Studio and run it with admin rights so devices register correctly. Once done, open OBS, go to Settings right arrow stream, paste the Twitch key, and choose the closest ingest server. Make sure your webcam and microphone are connected before moving on. That avoids device detection delays and saves time in the next steps. Next, you configure what your viewers will see and hear. Set base and output resolutions. Choose 1920x 1080 canvas with 1280x 720 scaled output if bandwidth is limited. Then pick an encoder. Use NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU to offload CPU. Adjust bitrate to match resolution and internet upload. Test with 10-15-minute recordings. Now build scenes. Add game capture for full-screen games, a webcam source. Finally, you go live and monitor performance in real time. Start with a test stream or set Twitch to private. Watch stream health and OBS stats for dropped frames, CPU spikes, or high render times. If problems appear, take immediate steps. Reduce bitrate, drop to 30 frames per second, lower resolution, or switch encoder presets. Make sure you use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi and close background uploads. One key troubleshooting tip. If frames drop persist, check upload speed and cut bitrate to roughly 60% of your measured upload to stabilize the stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.